Hey there, aspiring investors and seekers of financial wisdom. Are you eager to learn from one of the greatest minds in finance? Today, we're embarking on a journey into the life and strategies of Warren Buffett, the legendary investor known for his unparalleled success in the world of investing. First, let's explore Warren Buffett's early life and beginnings. Born in Omaha, Nebraska in 1930, Buffett showed an early interest in business and investing, buying his first stock at the young age of 11. From a young age, Buffett demonstrated a keen intellect and an insatiable appetite for learning, laying the foundation for his future success as an investor. Next, let's dive into Warren Buffett's renowned investment philosophy, value investing. Buffett's approach is based on the principles of buying undervalued stocks with strong fundamentals and holding them for the long term. By focusing on the intrinsic value of companies and ignoring short-term market fluctuations, Buffett has been able to consistently outperform the market and achieve remarkable returns for his investors. Now let's uncover the key principles that have guided Warren Buffett's path to financial freedom. From his emphasis on investing in businesses he understands to his aversion to debt and speculation, Buffett's principles offer valuable insights for investors at any stage of their journey. Lastly, let's explore Warren Buffett's legacy and the impact he has had on the world of investing and philanthropy. By using his wealth to tackle pressing global issues and empower future generations, Buffett has left an indelible mark on society that extends far beyond the world of finance. In conclusion, Warren Buffett's journey to financial freedom serves as a powerful reminder that success is attainable for those who are willing to embrace timeless principles, cultivate a thirst for knowledge, and remain disciplined in their pursuit of excellence. Whether you're an investor, entrepreneur, or simply someone striving for financial independence, there's much to learn from the wisdom and experiences of Warren Buffett. So why not start unlocking your own path to success today? Thanks for joining me on this exploration of Warren Buffett's journey to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, be sure to subscribe for more content on